In this digital age, what do you believe is the role of human intellect in QA?
Human intellect cannot be replaced at all. If you really see, we talk about negative testing, we talk about positive testing. What plethora of tools and processes and other things can give us is only the positive testing, not the negative testing. Because for doing the negative testing, there are no tools that are created, which can put you a pairwise kind of tool or anything. None of the case tools can give you the negative test scenarios. In fact, if you really look at the Boeing crash that had happened, it was not a testing failure. It was not a testing failure. It is only a failure of a negative scenario which was not explored while developing the product itself. It is a nose problem. The autopilot which was running on the aeroplane was trying to adjust the nose so that it gets the elevation. Rather, it put the nose too much down. It went into a crash. So that's why test engineers can cross the boundary, go everywhere else, but no one else can put their nose into testing side, because it is like putting your nose into someone else's business. But what Boeing has actually done is they have put the nose into their business. Something like that cannot be left to the human being. At least there should have been a control for the pilot to say no to the autopilot and take the control of the flight, which was not feasible at that point of time, because of which we lost 2 aeroplanes. This is what my understanding of the whole root cause analysis. So the testing is something which should be left to 90% automated and at least 10% manual, so that we can catch those kind of errors. So the human intellect in QA will continue to grow, not just remain, continue to grow, and we are going to have more and more automated space. We are going to have more and more innovative testing that is happening. That may not be in an automated way, but that will continue to be in a manual way, because innovative testing happens only once in a while. It is not something which is mundane, which you will repeat. If you repeat for the second time, then it's not called innovation. So from that perspective, the human QA intellect will continue to not only survive, but they will continue to grow.